Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can determine the measure of consensus using Python and my stikpetP library. I'm using, by the way, Jupyter Notebook with Python version 3.8.18. This is a measure of dispersion that's sometimes used with ordinal data from Tesley and Biermann. It ranges from 0 to 1, where a 0 would mean complete lack of consensus and a 1 full consensus. To show you how this actually works, I'll have some example data. So I'll import pandas and then load my, a data file from the General Social Survey from 2012. I changed a few small things just for example sometimes. And I actually also don't need all the data, I just need one ordinal field. I'm going to be using the, not a nominal field, I'm going to be using an ordinal variable. And the ordinal variable is going to be this one, if accounting is scientific. Now, to get a quick look out of that, I'll store that data in ord field and just the frequencies with values count. So for example, 100 people thought it was very scientific. Now notice these are actually not numbers and that these are not in order yet. If you simply want to see the unique values without generating that table, you can use the unique command, but it will be useful to have them stored as a small dictionary in the proper order. Now to use my library, you can simply install it from my GitHub accounts. So you can't just use pip install, it really has to be pip install and then this full link to my GitHub. Then you can import it just as any other one. I've already, of course, once installed it, so it should be working. And the function of interest here is ME, stands for measures, and then consensus. It only has two input parameters, the data and if you're using non-numerical data, the levels that you want it to use. You can just feed it and it will return, with a little bit of luck, the coding. Oh, I hadn't actually activated this one, so now it should give. Now it should actually work, and I think it was 0.51. Alright, and that's how you can quickly find the measure of consensus using the stikpetP library. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.